Michael, you sweet thing.
Happened and he still doesn't realize. Chalk, this side of the table is not weighted.
Yes, so
Watch
adorable.
what happens when I remove the book. God damn it.
So adorable, yes. So cute. Chat, am I not the cutest? Type if I'm cute. She speaks the language of the gods.
You doing that sound? It's like when you date a girl, and 3 dates in, she comfortable and reveals her eel.
And then what?
She a keeper.
I've been at work all
The
day.
gremlin
You
comes
don't
out.
get
I'm sorry. That fucking it's gonna be my personality for the rest of the stream. I can't help it. I'm easily entertained. If you're unlucky, it will pour into the personality of next stream as well. Why do you make the sound so well? Where's the sound effect from? What? The that one? I don't know. It's not like those tube toys. It's called grown tubes. The grown tube toy. Yeah, it's a thing. You never had one of those as a child and annoyed your parents and made them question their existence and the purchase immediately after for like months to come, regretting every life decision they've ever made. And that's at that point in life they were like, yeah, we're not getting her a drum set because you were way too annoying with the fucking tube going all fucking day. I had one and the next day it oddly vanished. I feel like all of our tubes very mysteriously just vanished from one day to another. Being a pirate is all that I need to let you on, cause the pirate is free. You are a pirate. Maybe I am a captain.